tired of juggling cookbooks, scattered recipe cards, and endless browser tabs while cooking? Recipe Keeper promises to be your ultimate digital cookbook, organizing all your favorite recipes and simplifying your meal prep. But does this app truly keep your kitchen chaos at bay and make cooking a breeze? Recipe Keeper is a powerful app designed to store and organize all your recipes in one place. You can easily import recipes from websites, snap photos of physical cards, or type them in. Key features include creating shopping lists from your meal plans, scaling ingredients, and syncing your recipes across all your devices. For example, effortlessly importing a new recipe from your favorite food blog, adding it to your weekly meal plan, and instantly generating a grocery list for a seamless shopping trip is incredibly efficient and helps you cook smarter. However, some users occasionally report that the recipe import feature might not work perfectly with every single website, requiring manual adjustments. Also, while syncing is a huge plus, occasional connectivity issues or slow loading times can occur, particularly with large recipe collections. What's your thought?